We are here to show you how to go to our career services page and how to access the Handshake page. So you'll go to brockport.edu. Under the academics tab, you will scroll down to academic support, and under here you'll find career planning, and this is the career services homepage. So just for the sake of this video, we're going to show you how to get to Handshake, but we have a ton of different resources and information on here that would be very beneficial to our students. So you'll click Online Career Tools, and the first option that shows up is Handshake. So you don't need to make an account. All students have a pre-created account, and you will click the single sign-on button, and it will ask you to log in with your Brockport information. And once you log in, it's going to take you to your Handshake homepage, which will look like this, and it will suggest some different jobs to you based on your major and previous experience and just your personal preference. So the first tab you'll see here is the Jobs tab. And this is where you can search jobs locally and across the country. We have so many different job opportunities. There's thousands on here for you to search through, and you can filter your search by location, full-time jobs, internships, part-time jobs, on-campus jobs, and then there's more specific filters if you wanted to look through here as well. You can also type in specific keywords, like if I wanted to search social media, it would pop up all of the different jobs that are social media based, and there are currently 107 jobs. So that is how to search for jobs on Handshake. Another thing you can do is look at our events. This is where you'll find all of our events hosted through our office, as well as other events that employers that we are partnered with. This is where you'll find their events as well. So just to give you some options, there's a ton there. But for the sake of this video, we're going to show you how to register for the Part-Time Job Fest, which will be happening on Tuesday, August 31st, which is the second day of school. So you will just click register here. I'm already registered, but you would just click this button and it will allow you to register for the event. You can also look at just our description of the event, as well as our employers that are registered to attend, and our contact person, which is John Scheibel, and he is our employer relations and internship coordinator. So if you have any questions about the fair, you can contact him directly. Another thing you can do is go to the Career Center, which is where you'll find our online resources, as well as our appointment options. So if you are looking to get hired for a job and you are hired, you will get an email from us saying that you are required to complete new hire paperwork unless you have already worked on campus. But if this is your first on-campus job, you will need to schedule an appointment to meet with our career services staff to go through the paperwork process. So we have quite a few different appointment options. So there's career exploration and planning, interview preparation, resume, LinkedIn, and cover letter assistance, job search coaching, internships, student employment, and graduate school planning. So within these appointment types, there's other appointments available as well, but this is for student employment. So you will need to make an appointment for video meeting, new hire paperwork assistance, and then you will also end up making an appointment to review your acceptable documents. So if I wanted to make a video meeting for new hire paperwork, you would just select the day, the time that works best for you and your schedule. And you just click the appointment, type a little description, hit request, and then you would be able to complete your appointment. So that is just a little bit about on-campus jobs and internships and searching for jobs on campus. If you guys have any questions for us, you can contact us at career@brockport.edu, or you can stop by our new office location, which is located on the second floor of Daly Hall.